I just finished 6 days of bikepacking. Unfortunately, I realised a bit too late that the combination of foam inserts and tubes in my tyres really increased rolling resistance. I didn't understand why things felt so sluggish until I was getting back into Wodonga. Since then, I've made some changes. I've ordered 3-inch tyres to help with that issue. First day, sun's just about to go down. Let's get the tent up, cook some dinner, and then start tomorrow as another day. Now I'm setting my sights on the Alice Springs area. I'll be heading out there soon to do a lot more bikepacking tours. And over the next few months, I'm planning to explore deep into Western Australia, including the Kimberley. Can't wait to see what's ahead. This is a strong wind, really strong. 35km/h gusts today. Oh well, it's going to be a slow day. I've lightened my load, got rid of my laptop and a whole lot of other gear, my big lens, and 7 kilos. I'm about to enter the Sturt Highway and head towards Narrandera. The wind's died down a little bit now. Still pretty strong. Just left the town of Lockhart and I'm heading back to Wodonga. The bike isn't rolling like it's supposed to for some reason. Anyway, to Narrandera and back to Wodonga. That's the way it is. But don't worry, I'm not going to stop trying. It'll just be another approach taken. There's a storm coming in, I don't know if you can tell. That's why I'm racing to use the tail breeze while I can. And the bike, the tyres or the wheels aren't rolling. Like I've had 4-inch tyres that have rolled better than these 2.6-inch, and it's just going very, very slow. Too slow to make it feasible. Anyway, you get that. Trial and error. Trying to take advantage of this tail breeze. It's a crosswind at the moment, but I'll turn to the left in a second. And a tail breeze. Get tired. Just trudge along. That's all you can do. Tomorrow will be a headwind. Cold southerly showers. So try while you can. Use the weather to your advantage. cold and wet tomorrow, and a headwind. Sound of galahs. I can camp over near those wheat silos, somewhere in that direction. There's a little bit of room. The sun will be down soon otherwise. I would have liked to keep going just for the tail breeze, because tomorrow will be cold and wet. Oh well. It's about 75 kilometres to Albury, and I've done about 115 today. That's because of the tail breeze though. Other than that, it's really slow. Anyway, all good. I reckon in those pine trees. Be nice and sheltered. Sun's about to go down, about to get a sunset. A little bit longer to put that tent up then. It's the Durston X-Dome. It blows in the wind because it's so light. And I'm also not that used to it. But it's good because it rained heavy as last night and I didn't get a drop of water in. So it is good, it's waterproof. I like the weight. Just about a kilogram. And it's quite spacious. Well, for a one-person tent. Anyway, let's get my bags in, get warm. It's getting chilly. It's a little hard to sleep. The wind is howling, like calm down now, the rain is just starting. It's a lovely day outside. It's wet and windy and cold. And the bike had just fallen over before from the wind. I just put it up again. It must have been pretty gusty to blow the bike over. Anyway, I'm tempted to pack up, but I'd like this drizzle gone, but it's almost 9 o'clock now, so I really have to pack up now if I'm going. But as you can see, it's not looking very inviting. I think most of the rain's gone now, I think, but it might be changing directions. It's a northwesterly, westerly blowing at the moment, then it might swing to a southerly, so then I might get more rain maybe. Decisions. It's raining. It's still raining. I've got a poncho too these days. I bought a poncho. I haven't tried it yet. Where is it? I've got this. It's a poncho. It's for cycling. Decided to keep going today as the rain stopped. But now it's a crosswind headwind. blowing quite strong. I'll just trudge along and see how far I get. Don't think I'll make it. It's more 75 kilometres. This wind, I'm just not getting anywhere. Anyway, we'll do something. It's still not too bad. It's just windy and slow. Pushing a lot to get nowhere. Day looks nice. It's stopped raining. It's just this howling wind. Just on the edge. It's wild weather today. Storm's just gone through. Luckily I had shelter for that time, which is very good. Because I prefer not to get wet unless it's inevitable and you can't get out of it. There's another front coming through, or another shower, probably in about 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that. Anyway, it shouldn't be too much. It's beautiful though, just the same. So we're cruising along. Let's just say I didn't miss it. Some of it got me. But I'm hiding behind a tree to try and do the best. Trying to keep my Brooks seat dry. It's not easy. Not too bad, not big. Sometimes you get saturated, that's just a few drops. A little bit of wetness, but not too bad. A complete rainbow. There's a surprising amount of room in the X-Dome 1, Durston. And considering it's a one-person tent, I've got a lift spot too. Got our nice rainbow that we just saw. Getting the last bit off the bike before the sun goes down. Right on the horizon now. Chain the bike up, put the cover on the Brooks seat and the cover on the bike, and try and keep warm. Got my gloves wet just at the end before they fell in a puddle. Oh well, I have to dry them in my sleeping bag. It's a nice rainbow just over there. There's the local sheep. The sun is shining, still crisp. About 20 kilometres to Albury now. Blue sky day. So slowly cruise along. Should be about 4 kilometres off Narrandera.